State Assembly Bill 2 was adopted in 2015, which allows for the formation of Community Revitalization and Investment Authorities, or CREAs. CREA districts are a potential game changer for local cities like Riverside, as it can allow completion of vital community-identified projects that the general fund just cannot absorb. This can help improve our local community by allowing an alternate source of funding for projects at a time when existing funding sources are limited or becoming competitive. A CREA district is formed by a resolution of the Riverside City Council, which creates a governing board that must consist of 3 council members and 2 members of the public who live or work within the CREA boundary. After its formation, a CREA must adopt a revitalization plan, which identifies the specific activities the CREA will carry out and finance, and limits activities to only the designated areas defined by the plan. Community-identified projects that a CREA might undertake may include improvements to existing infrastructure, construction of new infrastructure, building parks and open space, remediating contaminated properties, providing financial assistance to small businesses and entrepreneurs, and constructing affordable housing. Funding for CREA comes solely from tax increment, but don't let the name fool you. Tax increment is not a new tax and has no financial impact to the property and business owners located within the CREA boundaries. Simply put, when a piece of property located within the CREA boundary is improved by new development, the property's tax value goes up. Tax increment is solely the difference between a property's tax value before it is improved and after. The CREA captures this tax increment and reinvests it in projects that will benefit the community. Community Revitalization and Investment Authorities are a valuable tool that can allow local government to improve the quality of life for its citizens without undue financial burden. By working within our community to identify areas of improvement within the city, and by utilizing the CREA framework, the City of Riverside has a unique opportunity for responsible community reinvestment. The city will hold several community workshops to provide a CREA overview to the general public, and we're looking for your feedback on potential projects. For more information, visit riversideca.gov/CREA.